Hi everyone. Let's start with a quick question. Have you ever built a feature and launched it? And then someone said, that's not what I meant. We have all been there. In today's episode, design thinking for developers. We'll fix that. Because today is all about a prototyping. Not to impress, not to launch, but to learn. And trust me, the way you prototype can save you days of coding and even entire rewrites. Let's go. Let me ask you this. If someone gave you an idea right now, how would you try it out? Would you build the whole thing and write it up with backend and deploy it and to staging? Stop. A prototype is the minimal version of your idea that lets you say like, hey user, does this make sense to you? That's it. It can be drawing, a mock or a dummy button. If it helps you to test your thinking, it's a prototype. If you are a developer, here are why prototyping matters. You're smart, but you're not a mind reader. Your project manager might be wrong, or your client might change their mind, and your users, they'll definitely surprise you. Prototyping lets you find out before you build too much. Have you ever wasted a day building something that didn't land? Tell me in the comments. I bet we have all been there. Here is the best part. Prototype can be scrappy. You don't need a design degree. Try to imagine these as I say them. Draw a screen on paper, like literally with a pen, or fake the flow using Figma, or mock an API responses with fake data, and you pretend automation works, but you do it manually behind the screens, or using browser tools, edit the page in live and screenshot it. Do you remember this? A user logs in, sees a spinning loader, waits, and rage quits. We want to fix that, but how? Let's prototype some options. Add a skeleton screen, or change the message to something human, show progress percentage, or replace spinner with a climbing animation. Now, you don't need a full login system. Just create 4 quick demos. Show it to a real user, even your friend. Ask, which one feels less frustrating? That's insight. That's learning. Let's see, 3 golden rules for prototyping. It should be fast, no need to be perfect. Think in hours, not in days. And test one idea. Don't cram 5 changes into one test. And always feedback wins. If it teaches you something, it's a good prototype. Remember, you're not building to impress. You're building to understand. And let's see some of the tools for prototyping. A Figma or MUI, great for front-end mocks. We can use Postman for mock APIs. And we can use a CodeSandboxes for live front-end ideas. And finally, pen and paper is always underrated. Let's wrap this up. Prototype is for learn before you launch. You're not building the whole castle, just enough to see if the door opens. If this helped, hit the like button and drop a comment if you have ever been saved by a good prototype. Thank you for watching.